What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I have a special guest and she's going to tell us how she makes between $200 to $500 per day with Shopify without doing any advertising. So she does no advertising, she gets all of her traffic for free, and what I'm going to do is go through some questions on my phone because I don't really know the full story. I know what she does in sales, and she's my partner, so I should know, but I don't know everything. So we're going to go through some questions and ask her what she sells, what kind of traffic she gets, and basically how she does it. All right, so we're gonna get straight into this, but I just wanna let you know that she is doing something that probably no one is doing. However, this is really, really easy to implement. You can do this pretty much anywhere in the world. And actually, we're in a small country, New Zealand, where we only have about 5 million in our entire country, so it's actually quite hard to do. So if you're in a bigger city, a bigger country, this will be really easy for you to do. So the first question we're gonna be asking her is, what do you sell?
Okie dokie, so what I sell is, at the moment I'll go to thrift stores and I will find branded items that I can resell online through auction sites and also on my Shopify. And at the moment I focus on brands that are related to like New Zealand, Australia, and sell those.
Alright guys, so basically what she does is she goes to secondhand stores and she finds products mainly branded because that makes her the most money, and then she sells them online. But it's not really what she sells. I mean, it's really easy to go out and find products anywhere, whether it be at a store or whatever. It's how she actually sells it. So the interesting part is how she actually, so she doesn't send traffic directly to her Shopify store from ads, Facebook, Google ads and stuff like that. It's all organic. It's not Google traffic or anything like that. So the next question will be, how do you get the traffic to, well, because you do two things. First of all, you sell on auction sites. And that's, you make a little bit of money from that. So she sells on places like eBay here in New Zealand called Trade Me and stuff. But how do you get traffic from your Shopify, from those websites or anywhere else on the internet to your Shopify store?
So at the moment I sell on auction sites, and I actually put in the bio a link to my Shopify website, and I say that if they want to get an additional discount to go through there, which actually works really well because obviously they're looking for branded items at a reduced price anyways. If they see like get an additional discount if you purchase directly from me through my Shopify store, it seems to work well. Plus I also get their email addresses, which is, you know, what we're trying to achieve at the end of the day. I also go on to a variety of forums, clothing ones, accessories, bags, everything, and I'm quite active on there. I've also got a link to my website in my signature on all of my forum websites, so that way people can click through there and see my items, which I will also post on the forum depending on what conversation's going on at the time.
Alright guys, so what she does is, like, everyone's focusing on Facebook and stuff, but she's making up to $500 per day with free traffic and not much work. So as far as I'm aware, I don't know, I'm not sure of what she does on the forum, but she comments on people's posts and is active on forums. I think one of them is called purseforum.com, where people talk about clothing and stuff, and then they click on her link in this signature, go to her store, and they might purchase and stuff like that. But she also gets a lot of traffic from places like eBay, Trade Me, other auction sites. And she offers a discount and say, hey, if you purchase through us here, you get a discount, where she gets an exchange, the customer's email, and then she can do, you know, you do email marketing stuff as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah, email marketing and stuff as well.
Yeah.
So now most of you guys, when you think about brands, you probably think of Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci and stuff like that. But she does find secondhand Gucci and Louis Vuitton and makes quite a bit of money. But her main brands, I think, was my next question, what kind of brands do you sell? Local brands, because this is the main stuff, but every country has designers and their own brands that people are trying to push, especially on Instagram now, stuff like that. So you can make good money with local brands as well.
And one thing to mention as well, they're really hard to come by. So I don't come by big luxury brands often. When I do, it's amazing because obviously the margin there is huge, but it doesn't always happen. So I do focus on things that are local.
Yeah, so what do you have anything you can show us?
Yeah, so I've literally just picked these up a couple of days ago. So this here is a Camilla and Mark jacket. So I got this for $80, which is a bit more than what I would spend when it comes to secondhand clothing. But the reason being is because this actual jacket was in sale or in the stores last season for $900. So I should be able to turn this around for at least for $500. I'll do it for $500 on the auction sites, and then I'll offer it, and then I'll have it at a lower charge on my Shopify page, which also kind of entices people to purchase through there instead of through the other websites. I've also got just a denim skirt here. I feel like denim sells really well. This is Katsubi, which is an Australian brand, and I'll sell this in the first go. I paid $10 for this skirt, and they retail for about $180, so I should be able to make at least $90 to $100 for this skirt. And like I said, most of the brands, well, this brand in particular, I will sell in the first go of putting it up.
Now, guys, if you don't know my story, I actually started drop shipping back in 2009, doing something similar to this. So I would go onto a website called ChinaInvasion.com, find cell phones and sell them on auction sites. But she's kind of doing the same thing because the thing is, she loves clothing and going shopping. And I said to her, why don't you just sell this stuff online? I wasn't really, I didn't know how she was doing it. I didn't actually realize she was on forums getting traffic that way. I knew she was doing it at auction sites and sending the traffic to Shopify. But she's doing something she loves, which is shopping. Like, she goes out, you spend, how much time do you spend each week shopping for these clothes?
Each week, a couple of hours, give or take. It depends on my mood as well. If I'm in a good mood, I could spend like half a day shopping. And if I'm lucky and I'm finding a lot of things, it also puts me in a better mood. So, I mean, I can spend anywhere from a couple of hours to 5-6 hours. Just depends on my mood.
Finding clothes.
Yeah.
All that per day. How many hours do you spend per week kind of running everything? Like, I mean, not including the finding the clothes, but processing sales, being active on the forum, and I mean, the auction stuff's not that hard. You just put up an auction and...
Yeah.
But, I mean, how many hours a week do you think you spend doing that?
Not many. It's probably less than a part-time job.
Yeah, so you obviously don't have a 9-to-5 job. So her job is going and finding these clothes, doing something that she likes. I don't know if you like to shop. Do you like selling stuff, or do you find it a pain?
No, I love it.
Okay, so
I love it.
So she likes selling as well. So she's doing something she likes. Everyone's kind of like fighting over this Facebook traffic and stuff, but she's found a little niche pocket of people that she can sell specific stuff to. So, guys, we're in New Zealand. There's only 5 million or 5.5 million people in our entire country. LA, New York have millions of people, and you can do this type of stuff. There's nothing stopping you. Canada, huge country. Australia, way bigger than us here. And you guys have your own brands and stuff.
Well, there's the brand Nasty Girl, who pretty much started a multi-million-dollar company, just starting off selling secondhand clothing. Yeah. So people are doing it all over the world. Just depends on how far you want to go with it.
Yeah, so that's really it, guys. So what you want to do is, I mean, you can even go to garage sales and find things to sell. I know this is probably for more women, because I don't think guys are really going to be going out. I mean, I don't know the guy clothing niche, but you can go out and find stuff to sell. It doesn't need to be clothes. Find stuff to sell. Go onto auction sites. Use those auction sites for traffic. Make sure you read their policies, because you might not be able to take the traffic off the site. But use those auction sites for traffic. Send them to your Shopify store. Offer a discount. And then you can also be active on forums. Don't spam the forums, but just be active. Have a link in your signature. And gradually you will get organic traffic. And you use Pinterest as well. But we're not really going to go into Pinterest, but she uses Pinterest and a bot. And she schedules 20 to 30 posts per day, and they get ranked in Google. Not really for selling, she just reposts other people's content, but when she wants to sell products, she will post that product on Pinterest. We don't know if it's getting much traffic or anything. We haven't really checked that, but yeah, that's what she does. Yeah. So that's really it, eh? I just wanted to share this with you guys, because I don't think a lot of people understand that there's so many ways you can make money with Shopify. You don't have to do drop shipping. Although this is probably a little bit harder, like sometimes you have surplus clothes that you can't sell, but then you just sell it. Even if you sell it at what you paid for, who cares?
Well, yeah, exactly. Like, I mean, not everything's going to sell. So as long as I can get my money back and it pays the fees, then I'm happy with that. I mean, because it's a hobby. I love doing it.
Like, if you sold, how much you bought a skirt for?
$10.
So she bought that skirt for $10. She couldn't sell it in 2 weeks, and she wanted to get rid of it. She could just sell it for $10 or $20, and you better flip that for $20 easy, right?
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, so that's double the money
so quickly.
Just there. I mean, obviously she wants to get $90, but if she's selling at least 1 or 2 items a day, like that jacket, you make $300-$400 profit on that. How many times would you find something like that in a month? Like kind of 4 or 5 times or something? Yeah,
easy. A good like recently I got a pair of Gucci shoes from like this designer outlet store for for $500 and I sold them for $1,100 on eBay.
There you go, guys. So get your hustle on. She's actually hustling more than me right now. I've been a bit lazy, but she is getting her grind on every day.
Taking them for a run for
Wakes up earlier than me most mornings. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And remember, I give away stuff in every single video. Information for that is in the description below and the pinned comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll actually leave a link to one of her videos below where she talks about more about this and tips on how to sell clothing online. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
See ya.